One of the most commonly asked questions is, how do we maintain Kangen device? What needs to be done? What needs to change? Do we need to change the filter and all this stuff? So there are three main things you need to do in order to maintain the Kangen device so it can serve you for very, very long time. First thing, you change the filter once a year. And you can buy the filter, original filters from our official website that you can find in the description below. Second thing that we need to do to maintain Kangen device is monthly e-cleaning. You can literally follow the steps in the settings and you can find here e-cleaning. You can step by step follow the process on how to do e-cleaning. You can also find in our YouTube channel the separate video where I have demonstrated step-by-step process how to do the e-cleaning process on a monthly basis. You use citric acid that you can buy again from the official website. Third and last thing that we need to do is to do the deep cleaning every 2 years in order to clean the Kangen device plates clean and safe from calcification. And we also provide that service.